Good morning, my dear students. Hope you people are very fit and fine. This is your maths period. So now let's begin our today's class. In the previous class, I had given homework. Okay, now in this video, I'm going to explain your homework of 11 date. Okay, and you have to check your homework from this video. So exercise 1B and question is 1. Fill in. Okay, question number A. 4,200 paise is equal to, okay, so 4,200 paise is equal to how many rupees? Yes, 4.2 rupees means 4 rupees 2 paise. Okay, second is 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes because in 1 hour there are 16 minutes, so in 2 hours 120 minutes. Okay, next is 3 days dash hours. If we all know that one day has 24 hours and then 3 days have how many hours? 72, because 20 when we will multiply 24 by 3 then we will get the answer 72. So 3 days is equal to 72 hours. Next is 10 minutes is equal to 600 seconds. Okay, because in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So in 10 minutes there are 600 seconds. Okay, next E. 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter because in 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That's why 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. Next is 2000 grams is equal to 2 kg because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Next is 3000 ml is equal to 3 liter because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, next is question number 2 is question number 2 is change. We have to change. In the previous videos I told you how to convert milliliter to liter and liter to milliliter, how to convert hours to minutes and minutes to hours. Okay, so first is 2643 milliliter to liters and milliliters. We have to convert this 2643 milliliters to liters and milliliters. We can write it as 2643 times 1 ml. Okay, and next is 2643 multiply by 1 upon 1000 liter because 1 liter 1 ml is equal to 1 liter upon 1000. Okay, in the previous video I told you the relation between liter and milliliter. So students, here you can see 1 upon 1000, and when we will cut these 3 zeros then we have to point after 3 digits. Okay, that's why I have written here 2.643 liter, and we can write it as 2 liter and 643 milliliters. That is the answer. Next is 2 kg 500 grams to grams. Now we have to convert 2 kg 500 grams to grams. So 2 kg plus 500 grams to multiply by 1000 grams because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So here 2 multiply by 1000, that is 2000 grams plus 500 grams. Now we will add these two numbers, so we will get the answer 2500 grams. This is the answer. C. 6255 grams to kilograms. Now we have to convert this kilograms and grams. So 6255 times 1 gram, 6255 times 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay, because 1 upon 1000 kg is equal to 1 gram. Okay, so here again there are 3 zeros, so the point, we will put the point after 3 digits. Okay, so 6.255 kg, we can write it as 6 kg 255 grams. Next is 8 meter 70 centimeter to centimeters. So 8 meter plus 70 centimeter, we have to convert it to centimeter. So we can write it as 8 times 1 meter plus 70 centimeter. That is 8 times 1 meter. We will put the value of 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. एक मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं? 100. So here we have put the value of 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter plus 70 centimeter. Now 8 times 100 centimeter, that is 800 centimeter plus 70 centimeter, that is 870 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, next is 429 centimeters to meters and centimeters. We have to convert this 429 centimeters to meters and centimeters. So we can write 429 times 1 centimeter. Okay, then 429 times 1 centimeter, we will put the value of 1 centimeter, that is 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, so we will put the value of 1 centimeter, that is 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, now here there are 2 zeros, it means we will put the point after 2 digits. Okay, from the left side, 1 2, and then we will put the point. Okay, because there are 2 zeros, meters. Okay, and we can write it as 4 meters 29 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, now question number 3 is find. We have to find the answer. Here the question is rupees 45.35 multiply by 8. So we have to do multiply. So here you can write 8 like this. Okay, in the columns, respective columns, then multiply. So 8 5s are 40, so we will write here 0 and 4 carry over to the next place. Then 8 3s are 24 and 24 plus 4 is 28. So 28 we will write 8 ones and 2 carry over to the next place. 8 5s are 40 and 2 42, so we will write here 2 and 4 carry over to the next place. 8 4s are 32 and 4 36, and we will put the point after 2 digits. Okay, because here the point is after 2 digits, so from the left side. Okay, so 1 2, after 2 digits we will put the point. So the answer is 362.80 rupees. Okay, next is rupees 64.40 divided by 8. So you can write it like this, 8. Okay, 64.40. So what we have to do? We have to do division. Okay, so recall the table of 8. I know you all have learned the table of 8 because now you are in 4th standard. Okay, and you have to learn at least tables 2 to 20. So recall the table of 8, and 8 8 is 64. Okay, so 8 8 is 64. We will write the quotient here and then 64 right here. Now put the sign of subtraction, and 4 minus 4 is 0 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, now there is a point, so we will put the point here and then we will write the next digit, that is 4. Now you know that 8 की टेबल में 4 नहीं आता है, सो वी विल राइट द नेक्स्ट डिजिट, दैट इज़ 0. बट फॉर दिस डिवीज़न में हम कभी भी 2 डिजिट्स को एक साथ राइट नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, अगर करेंगे तो एक रूल होता है कि हमें यहाँ पर पहले क्या लगाना पड़ेगा, 0, तभी हम दूसरी डिजिट को राइट कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज नो. ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट द other digits, so we will put here 0. Now recall the table of 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Okay, here nothing is remaining, so the answer will be 8. So the answer will be 8.05 rupees. Okay beta. Now the last question of your homework, question number 4. A shop sells 28 liter 150 मिलीलीटर ऑफ ऑयल. एक शॉप है जो कि कितना ऑयल सेल करती है, 28 लीटर एंड 150 मिलीलीटर एवरी डे. हाउ मच ऑयल डज इट सेल इन 6 days. एक कोई शॉप है जो एक दिन में इतना ऑयल सेल करती है, तो 6 days में वो कितना करेगी. इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, yes, we have to do multiply. So here you can write, so a shop sells oil every day is equal to 28 liter 150 milliliter. इसलिए so in 6 days the shop sell oil is equal to 28 liter 150 milliliter multiply by 6. Okay, now you can write these digits in their respective columns. Okay, 28.150 and multiply by 6. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये पॉइंट कहाँ से आया, पॉइंट तो डिजिट्स में है ही नहीं. तो काइंड यू इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस अगर आपके पास 2 रुपीज़ हैं, ओके, सपोज दैट यू हैव 2 रुपीज़ एंड 5 पैसे, तो 2 रुपीज़ एंड 5 पैसे को हम किस तरह से राइट कर सकते हैं, 2.5. ओके, और हम इसको क्या रीड करेंगे, 2 रुपीज़ एंड 5 पैसे. इन द सेम वे we will read it as 28.150. okay, here you can write a liter. okay, now 6 5s are 30 and 3 carry over to the next place. 6 1s are 6 and 3 9. Then 6 8s are 48 and 4 carry over to the next place. 6 2s are 12 and 4 16. okay, and here you can see the point is after 3 digits, so we will put the point after 3 digits from the left side, 1 2 3 here. okay, so the answer is, we can write is 168 liters 900 milliliters. Shop sells 168 liter 900 milliliters while in 6 days. This is the answer. Now students, you have to check your homework from this video. Thank you and have a good day.